We out here, y'all. I get the tread right. Look on dead meat.
Go ahead. Why they stop?
Go, you go ahead and dead meat. Shit. You ain't got to wait on them. Go ahead, pull that big motherfucker through there. Yeah, go get in there. Y'all get out the way. Here you go. Oh, Lord. Here you go. Oh, shit. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, he dead. Oh, Lord. Somebody call a 911. We need an ambulance down here. Oh, Lord. They're trying to get it out of there. Oh, Lord.